How do we utilize those relatively still new programs and opportunities for students in a way that will benefit students, but also benefit educators? It is time to retool. It is time to look at how we do old things in new ways, just as the rest of the world is now doing. And that includes the teaching of reading through scientific approach to help assure that those learning gaps begin to shrink once again. Lexia is a good example of an organization that knows how to use good data. Every industry is now making a better living because they have captured the genius of how to incorporate that data into the changes that they're making. And with those gaps in learning that we're seeing now in dramatic levels, it's essential that we not only do this, but we do this as soon as possible. Young people are resilient, and being around students, and I have for a long, long time at every level, I can tell you there's just nothing like young people. They will find a way. And if you help them, they'll find it faster, and they'll come away with a better outcome at the end of the day.